Hello everyone, so if you want to enable developer options on a Motorola Razr 50, so first of all, you're to open up your settings. Now you're to scroll down to the very bottom to your About Phone tab, choose it. Now in your About Phone tab, you're to find your device identifiers. We need it to reach our build number. So now as we reached it, we're to tap 7 times on it. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now if you have a screen lock set up, you will be prompted to enter your PIN, password or pattern. However, as I don't, I won't do this. Now let's go back to our settings, choose your system tab, and here are your developer options. So simply tap on this tab and here they are. Now you can explore them and access advanced settings and features. If you want to turn them off, simply tap on the switch. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please hit a like and consider subscribing to our channel.